In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use chart in monday.com, monday.com chart tutorial 5 minutes. To start, sign into your monday.com account. Once you're in, open the board where you want to visualize your data. This is the board whose items and columns will feed your chart, so make sure the columns you care about, like status, people, date, or numbers, are present and up to date. At the top of the board, click the plus button. From the options that appear, choose chart. This creates a chart view or takes you into a dashboard area where charts live. If you're working inside a dashboard, click the Add Widget button and select Chart so the widget is placed on your dashboard canvas. Next, open the chart settings. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the chart widget, then choose Settings. This is where you define what the chart shows and how it looks. Begin by picking a chart type. You can choose from bar, line, pie, stacked bar, or bubble. As a quick guide, use bar for comparing counts or numeric values, line for trends over time, pie for showing proportions, stacked bar for a breakdown within each category, and bubble when you need to compare values across two axes with a third variable represented by bubble size. Now select what appears along the bottom of the chart, the main grouping or x-axis. Common choices are status, person, or date. This selection controls how your data is bucketed, such as by each status label, by assignee, or by time periods. Then choose the numeric measure. You can simply count the number of items in each bucket or point the chart to a specific number or formula column to sum, average, or otherwise calculate values, depending on the chart options available. For deeper insight, add a categorization. You can split the data by status, group, or other columns to see multiple series side by side or stacked, which helps you compare segments within each category. Finally, apply filters to focus the story you want the chart to tell. Filters let you include only relevant items, for example, a specific time frame, a subset of groups, or items owned by certain teammates. That's it. You've added a chart, configured its type, chosen the axis, set the metric, segmented the data, and filtered the view. As your board updates, your chart will refresh automatically, giving you a clear, real-time picture of your work.